In this video, I will show you how to download and install BlueStacks Android emulator. This video is part of the free alt-soft article, How to Run Android on Your PC with Emulators. A link to the article can be found in the description section of this video. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for BlueStacks, or type bluestacks.com in the address bar. Navigate to the BlueStacks website and click on the green Download BlueStacks button. Once you are in the BlueStacks download page, click on the download button. The install will start downloading to your computer. Once downloaded, open the file to start the BlueStacks installation. Click the blue Install Now button and BlueStacks will start installing. I will speed up the installation process to save time. On my computer, the total installation took 3 minutes and 20 seconds from the moment I clicked Install Now and until BlueStacks emulator opened and was ready to use. While we wait, I recommend that you sign up for a Google account if you don't have one. With a Google account, you have access to millions of apps and games available on Google Play Store and other services of Google on BlueStacks. You can also save and retrieve games progress across different devices for various apps and games. For many games, in-app purchase requires a Google account. Once BlueStacks is running, it will give you a chance to enter your Google account details. Click the Sign In button on BlueStacks and click Sign In once again at the Google Play Store. Enter your Google email address and click the Next button. Now enter your password. Click the I agree button for the terms and services. Google will give you the option to back up your data to your Google Drive. If you don't want this service, click the blue slider to disable this feature. Click Accept to enter the Google Play Store. You can now search and install your favorite apps from the Play Store. If you want to get back to the BlueStacks home screen, click on the Home tab at the upper left corner of the emulator. Your open apps will be displayed as tabs at the top. Click on the tab to switch to the app you want to use. The BlueStacks dock is a bar located at the bottom of the BlueStacks home screen. It allows quick access to important features that are essential for using BlueStacks. Moreover, it provides you a clutter-free home screen. You will find the BlueStacks App Center here. In addition to the Google Play Store, BlueStacks has its own App Center. Here you can find recommended apps and trending apps. It also includes the apps categorized according to multiple genres. Here you may download and install the app by simply clicking on the app icon. BlueStacks offers many settings variations which users can change according to their preferences, ranging from display resolution to engine settings, all the way down to notification preferences. To access these setting options, click on the hamburger icon available on the top bar or the gear icon. Please note, if you made any changes to your resolution and DPI, you must close and restart BlueStacks to make your resolution and DPI settings effective. The BlueStacks toolbar lets you access various features like toggle full screen, volume controls, lock cursor, keyboard controls, screenshot and recording, and many more with ease. Each toolbar button is designated to perform a certain task. You can hover your mouse cursor over each button to see the task it can perform. BlueStacks is a full-featured program, and to learn more about what BlueStacks can do, go to the BlueStacks Help Center on the BlueStacks website.